Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Think Big Digital. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to solve the problem of TikTok showing that the phone number is already in use. So without any ado, let's jump right into the video. For that, we are going to click on login. Okay, so basically we're going to click on sign up. So suppose you put up a phone number, your own phone number, and you already probably have opened an account with that phone number, and now you forgot the password, so you want to open a new account. But now that you're using that phone number, it's showing you that the phone number is already in use. So in that case, what you can do is use basically you can use, there are many other options, like you can continue with an email or a Facebook account or an Apple ID or a Google account, whichever you have. Click on it and you can basically just open or sign up for TikTok with an email account, suppose, or your Facebook account. It's that easy. So if you cannot use your phone number to open your TikTok account, so you can just use these certain alternatives. And if you have already created an account with your phone number, then you can log in. So basically use phone, email or username, so you're going to type in your phone number, and then if it says continue, then it's going to ask you to basically log in with your password. But if you don't remember the password, then you can just click on forget password, and then if you have an email logged in to that account, then it's going to give you the code to your phone number already in. So there's an alternative way. You can also log in with your username or your email address, whatever you prefer. So that's how you actually get done with that problem. So this is it for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of us on your For You page, you can subscribe to our channel. If you have any queries regarding this topic, you can comment down below and we will be very glad to help you guys. And that's it for today. We will see you in the next video.